how to show or hide the digital well-being notification content on the lock screen. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. On the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings button. After that, we scroll down and then tap on digital well-being and parental controls. Now tap on the more button, then tap on settings. After that, we tap on notifications. Then we scroll down and tap on lock screen notifications. From the pop-up, choose show content or hide content. Now, if you remove the lock screen notifications, then you will not be able to choose whether to show or hide the content. Now, by hiding the content, it does not actually hide the notifications. It still shows the digital wellbeing notifications, but the content will be hidden. And here I will select show content. And that's it. After, you can tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.